In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Sheet in Notion. If you've ever wanted to combine the powerful data capabilities of Google Sheets with the organizational prowess of Notion, you're in the right place. By embedding your Google Sheets into Notion, you not only streamline your workflow, but also ensure that your information is consistent and readily accessible right where you need it. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Sheet that you wish to embed. This could be a financial tracker, a project plan, or any other spreadsheet that holds the data you want to share. With your sheet open, look towards the upper right corner and find the Share button. Click on it, and here's where you'll manage which parts of the sheet are going to be visible in Notion. Once inside the sharing settings, decide on whether you want to share the entire sheet or just a specific tab. Carefully select the appropriate option to ensure that you're sharing only the necessary information, maintaining your data's relevance and security. The next step is to publish this selection. Look for the Publish button in the sharing settings. Clicking on this will generate a unique link for your sheet. The magic behind this link is that it allows Notion to pull in and display the Google Sheets data. Ensure you copy this link to your clipboard, as you'll need it in just a moment. Now head over to your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where you want the Google Sheet to appear. It might be a dashboard, a meeting notes page, or wherever you feel it will best serve your needs. Once you're in the right spot, here's a little Notion trick. Type the / key on your keyboard, followed by the word Embed. This is Notion's quick command tool, and it serves as a nifty way to get things done fast in this versatile workspace. Once you type Embed, a list of options will appear. You'll want to select Embed from the list. With the Embed option selected, you'll be prompted to paste the URL. This is where that link you copied from your Google Sheet comes in. Paste the URL into the provided field. Double-check the link to ensure that you have pasted it correctly, as this will ensure there are no hiccups when embedding. Finally, click the Embed Link button. This will seamlessly pull your Google Sheet data into your Notion page, creating a dynamic, always updated view of your spreadsheet within your Notion workspace. And there you have it, a perfectly embedded Google Sheet in Notion. This combination of tools allows for a more fluid and efficient workflow, so you can spend less time toggling between different apps and more time focusing on what's important. Remember, this embedded view is interactive, meaning you can navigate through the data as needed directly within Notion. Happy integrating and organizing!